I've always wanted to give my bit back to the community. So volunteering is something I've always wanted to do.
It gives a deep sense of satisfaction that you're doing something good back to the community.
Getting behind the scenes of Agile India, that's something which appealed to me.
This is one of those conferences wherein there is a lot of good stuff which is going on. The quality of speakers and the who is who of Agile world is always here.
It's really quite amazing experience to volunteer because you get to network with people, you understand what's happening in this industry, you get to attend the free talks and wherein you can go back and implement whatever people are talking back in your team.
Whichever session I am in, I get to learn like up close and personal on that session itself. Plus, it gives me the opportunity to listen in on the other sessions as well, to other speakers. I have to ensure the session runs smoothly. So I have to ensure that the speaker is all set, audio, video working fine, and all those kind of things. And then as the session goes on, moderating the questions and answers and things like that. And if anyone has any issues, I'll have to look into it and make sure it gets routed to the right people to check on it.